likes you. Oh, what's your name? Hi. Aren't you pretty? Are you pretty bird?
Pretty boy. Oh, he loves cameras.
Oh, yay, like a monkey. Hi.
Hello. Now swing that way. You're so silly.
These cages are huge for these birds. I love the setups, and they get to go outside. These birds already went outside. This is down the hallway. Oh, there's cockatoos right here. I'm going to be going outside to see them all.
Goofy.
I know, Eddie. I know.
Ah, there's an Amazon. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. I love this bark. I should put that in my bird room. Looks nice. Oh, here's another Amazon. Hello. Hi, you're beautiful. Look at his big space. Much better than a cage. Nice. this is where they bring some of the birds outside and they sit with them in here. They take turns with certain birds because some of them, you know, fight with each other. So that's pretty neat. I'd love to have that in my backyard. Okay, so this is outside, the back of the building, and all the birds get to come outside. Most of them are in because it's a really hot day, 27 degrees out. Someone's saying hello. There's a cockatoo there, and there's macaws in here, and there was a bunch of cockatiels that I think were coming out of this one, but they were all went inside when I was in the other room. I would so love this for my birds. I'm going to try to build something in my house. They can come outside and inside. It'd be amazing if every bird can have this much space or more.
A rooster. What kind is that?